Ready to unlock the secret to truly engaging Tableau dashboards that respond to your every command? Let's dive right into creating a parameter, the magic wand that transforms static charts into dynamic experiences. Locate the data pane on the left side of your screen, and then click the small arrow next to the dimensions or measure sections in the drop-down menu. Select Create Parameter. A new window pops up. This is where the magic happens. First, give your parameter a descriptive name. Let's call this one. Choose metric next. Select the data type. This determines what kind of values your parameter will accept. For this example, choose string. Now, under Allowable Values, select List here. You'll define the specific options that users can choose from. Type your first metric, like sales, and click the plus sign to add it to the list. Repeat this for other metrics, such as profit and quantity. Set the current value to sales. This will be the default option when the dashboard first loads. Click OK to create your parameter. Now, let's link this parameter to a calculated field. Right-click in the data pane and select Create Calculated Field. Name this field something like Selected Metric. Now, we will write a simple case statement. Case: choose metric when sales, then some sales, WHEN profit, then some profit, WHEN quantity, then some quantity, and this calculation will change based on what you select in the parameter. Click OK to save your calculated field. Drag the new selected metric calculated field onto the row shelf of your chart. Finally, show the parameter control by right-clicking on the Choose Metric parameter in the data pane and selecting Show Parameter Control. You can now select sales, profit, or quantity from the parameter control. See how the chart dynamically updates based on your selection. Congratulations, you've successfully created a parameter in Tableau, allowing users to explore different scenarios and gain deeper insights. Try experimenting with different data types and calculations to create even more engaging and dynamic dashboards.